didn't take video how we were buying ticket. We are going for rafting, jumping from 7 meters, 6 meters. And then we are gonna swim in the cave.
And he's our guide. I'm not gonna jump, I will just float.
Probably. You start here?
Alright.
Like they're,
Ticklish.
yeah. Now we will drink a little bit. I just cannot keep my feet in the water because doesn't hurt, but
Tickles.
yeah, tickles, and it's not pleasant. No, I don't want that. They will bite my toe.
Girl is more courageous.
No, I don't want that.
She had big one as well.
Yeah?
Yes.
I don't want big. Moo. One big one.
It's not gonna peel your skin off.
How do you know? I can feel it. It's not like small.
Poor big fish. It's gonna come to you anyway, it's there.
Done with fish. Jump, yeah. So, done with fish. We are gonna go to the cave now and jump from the cave too, probably. Where do we jump from the cave? But actually, we are gonna go to the cave, but I need to keep my phone in this bag. Ooh, cold. Nice. Where do I jump? Ooh. Alright, it's dark there. Going back. 7-meter jump is closed, so only 3 meters. This one. There, okay. Okay, good.
Yes, I'm jumping in the open water after a long time.
Okay. You want to jump one more time?
No, I'm good.
Sit down.
I want to go next.
Okay, you go. Oh, okay. Jump. Okay, take the GoPro too, because I need 2 hands. 1, 2, 3.
Do you like it or not?
Yeah, one more. Go. This is fun. Gonna jump more. All right. Quite high. Woo. Ooh. Nice.
So he wants me to take a video closer.
Maybe from here, from there.
There.
Ready?
Ready?
one is scary down.
Go for it.
So sad it closes at 5 p.m. We have only 1 hour left. I wish I could jump more. Yes, you can swim.
Pull me.
Yes, I am pulling you.
And then be careful.
A rock.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Come on. Jump. Jump.
Hey, here?
Yeah. Do you like?
Yeah.
Stand up, please. I can sit down, swim, sit and jump.
Better low.
Oh, there is a cave.
Okay, off we go again.
Let's go. Yeah, yeah. Woo.
It was fun.
No jump, yeah? No jump.
Here.
No jump. No.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
Waiting.
So that the end?
Yeah.
No more jumping.
And then take video.
With the rope is better, yeah?
Yes, much better. That's taken much better.
I'm using only one hand. That's why I am slow.
Oh, good. Dropping ahead.
Do you like Chituma?
Yes, we like to. It looks quite deep.
Yeah, I cannot reach.
Tarzan, no?
Where?
Tarzan.
Ah, yeah.
Come on.
One more. I'm gonna give you the GoPro now and then I will jump again. Oh, nice. You need to move.
It's cold.
Okay.
Okay. Alright.
Cool.
Alright, take the GoPro. I can't even hold it. I'm shaking.
You just hold it on your wrist. I'm gonna jump one more time.
Okay.
Lepas good. Nah, gitu. Nah.
Alright, you can go. Let's go.
Yes, I'm waiting for him to come for me.
Okay. There is a rope here. Alright, done. There jump too? No. Give me. It's good to come in the morning to all the places because I wanted to jump more, but we can't. 5 p.m. is closing time. This is not the end. This is the end. Oh, nice. We just go with the flow. I'll take the video maybe on the phone. True. Video, yeah. You can hold the GoPro then.
Yes.
A bit cold.
Yes, it's freezing. Are you gonna walk? Are you not gonna float?
Yeah, I'm gonna go. Cold?
Yeah.
Swimming is faster than walking.
Yeah. Dinner or lunch? Is that lemongrass?
I think so.
Yeah, lemongrass rice. Nice.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.